Hello everybody, we are from Singapore and today we have a great fun organized by TV Workshop, and then we have a hiking session at the park. It's extraordinary, and then you get to see some extraordinary swimming in the pool, for example. Yeah, so I think you will love it. Alright, do join TV Workshop for this event.
This is the best outdoor activity I ever tried. It's very exciting and we walk right into the forest, so all thanks to TV Workshop.
I like the portion whereby it was off the beaten track, and I like the part whereby there's this very special pool that nobody went before. It was not easy to get our feet wet, but finally we did it. So thanks to TV Workshop for able to exceed expectations.
Thank you, TV Workshop.
Thank you.